We are pleased to show you the 2022 Telluride. The Kia Telluride is an impressive SUV that boasts a striking exterior look, plenty of interior technology features, additional space for guests in the third row, and a powerful engine leave no doubt that this is an SUV worth talking about. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, integrated turn signal mirrors, electronic stability control, brake assist. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.